LOL!
Can't feel my wrist.
Your mom can't feel her wrist. Yeah.
Oh, what? Stop that.
The
fuck's this?
Oh, I've done this one.
Oh yeah, I've done this one too.
I'm super good at
You're
this.
supposed to.
You have to pull out a shotgun and start sniping, dude.
What the fuck? What the fuck? I don't know what to do. God, fucking hit them. Oh, take that, take that. Take that. And that. Fucking faggot, you took my kill. Take that.
Oh, shit.
Fuck, I hit that guy. I hit that guy. You suck dick. Come on. I'm not gonna hit that guy. Fucking think I'm stupid, huh? Taking all my kills, you fucking faggot. Everybody has fucking bombs out here or what? Fucking shit.
Fucking Iraqis, dude.
Got it. Yes.
Dick.
Yes. Oh fuck, you took my kill. Yes. Yes. Come on. Ah. Whoa. Yes. Yes. Oh. Yes. Yeah, you fucking hit it, faggot. Yes. No. I fucking rule.
Fuck you.
Fucking rule.
Bullshit.
I bet you're wondering what the score is. I know I am.
I'm not. Ah.
That's what your mom moaned.
Fallen Sniper's my brother.
No, man.
Yeah, brother.
Brother.
No, brother, not his brother.
Yeah, you said, Fallen Sniper's my brother.
Oh, brother.
It hasn't changed my headache. Well, does it change her headache?
I'm not fucking racing shit. You're gonna win. I fucking know it. Fucking know it.
3, 2, 1.
This last game's like failure.
Fuck out of my way, you fucking squirrel.
No!
Fuck you! What the fuck? Butterfly shit.
Fuck you! God damn it, I keep fucking missing the gun. No, don't hit me behind.
Fucking rule. I fucking rule. Fucking squirrel, you shit. Eat it.
Oh my Jesus monkey.
I keep on hitting. What the fuck? I just hit the wall.
God damn it, I smashed against the wall. Motherfucker. Get back over here, you horse son of a bitch.
Fuck off.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Where the fuck am I supposed to go?
Flying like a bird.
Fucking almost fell off the edge because of your fucking ass. I almost pushed you off, you fucking bear shit. Don't push me off, you fucking... What the fuck are you? You're like an orange shit.
Orange shit. I'm a fucking fox, I think.
Stop going so fast. How the fuck did you do that?
I'm fucking pro, dude.
Oh,
What the fuck? Jerry, you son of a bitch.
ran out of battery.
Oh my god.
Hold on, wait for it.
Oh my god, I missed all of them. I ran away. Don't hit them.
You fucking kidding me? Yeah! Back your flag. Oh, you fucking faggot. God.
No. Why?
God.
Own it.
I blew you up. I blew you up.
I know.
Actually, when you guys blew me up, and then I was just
Yeah,
like,
you did.
whoa, and I slid underneath the flag, and I just like pulled out dual-wield gun.
That was some bullshit.
I was jealous.
Your mother. Let's try this again. Fucking let's do this.
Oh my god, this is like the most hardcore game ever.
Hate the bullseye shit. Where's my target? Where the fuck am I?
Where the fuck?
Look, whenever I shoot, look at me, guys.
Wow, I didn't get any fucking thing, man. It's too fucking hard out.
What the fuck, man?
I know, right?
I don't even know which one I am. Oh, wait, I'm the other one.
Yeah, fucking hit it.
God damn it. Going too fast.
Fucking hit it, man. Fucking hit it, yeah. Fucking hit it, yeah. Can't fucking hit the small one. Being a fucking douchebag.
That's not what your mom said.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, what? So you have a small dick?
Fuck you.
Yay! Oh my god.
Told you I raped the first person shooters, even though it was like second person.
Nice. Fuck.
Achievement.
God. For me. Fucking a lot of achievements.
That was Jerry.
A lot of achievements.
I'm catching up, Jerry.
You have lots of gamer pictures. Way to go, Jimmy.
I have?
Yeah. No, fucking don't do it now. Come on, let's do it.
Well, what do we do here?
I don't know.
Oh, I remember this one. Just don't fall off.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I'm trying to push you guys off.
Hello? Yeah, I'm already ready if you can come already. Yeah.
Hey, Jerry, I found a condom for you.
When you would have said it in front of my dad, I would have killed you.
Can't eat it.
Fuck am I? I don't want to fall off. Get the fuck out of my way.
No! God damn it! Oh, my stomach.
Fucking orange shit! Don't push me off yet.
Oh, shit.
Eat faggot shit.
Faggot shit. Fuck you, I'm
Totally
coming back.
Totally just push.
I will come back with vengeance. Yeah.
Fucking bear's about to fall.
No!
Oh, I'm getting
Oh,
all the
shit.
No! Oh my god!
Get the fuck out of here, you orange shit.
How do I come back? When do I come back?
Oh, stop fucking hitting me. Fucking
No.
oh my god.
No, don't do it, Jerry.
Yes.
No.
Fucking bear, look at the bear.
What the fuck, guys?
Whoosh!
Yes.
Fucker.
Yay!
What the fuck?
Oh.
That was my phone, I think.
Oh.
Yeah, it was. I have 2 new messages. Me equals bored. I need... Oh, shit. I don't know what ring size I am. Shit.
You don't need one, so just buy a ring.
She's buying me a ring.
Why don't you just get a ring?
Tell her
What?
to buy you brass knuckles.
I would tell her to buy me a pendant, but I don't know.
There, we finished. Oh my god, they're keeping your friends still.
Yeah, I got it. That was me. Faggot.
Keep your
Faggot.
friends. Oh, you both got it. Yeah. It's a bird, dude. It's a bird. Look at that fucking heart. That's me.
I got first. Fuck you.
Let me Assassin's Creed. Is the camera recording? I better not be.
What's this? No, oh, no, you can't have my pack, too.
I know, dude.
Oh.
Just one.
It is recording.
A hit. One.
No. Jerry, I won first.
You won first? You fucking kidding me? I fucking won most of them.
God damn it.
Yes!
I got second, though.
Who's second? No, I didn't. I got second.
No, you didn't.
Hi-ha, I say.
You failed horribly.
Oh, give me the gold.
It was fucking retarded.
I